Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will create a virtual machine using Oracle VirtualBox so that we can install the Ubuntu 18.04 operating system. Click the new icon on the left top corner. Here is the dialog box to create the virtual machine. I'll give a name, I'll call it Ubuntu 18.04 desktop. I will increase the memory to 4 GB. It's already set to Ubuntu 64-bit. I'm good there. And now let me go ahead and click create. And on this screen, you would configure the size of the hard drive that will be used by the virtual machine. I will go ahead and set it to 100 GB and I will accept the default settings. And one of the important settings is the dynamic allocation. What this does is it will not create a 100 GB drive right at the time of this virtual machine creation. Rather, what it does is as we start using the disk space, the VirtualBox will dynamically allocate space for the virtual disk. So that's the property of the dynamic allocation, which comes real handy in a test lab environment. Well, now I'm good with these settings and I'll click create. Okay, as you can see, the VirtualBox has been created and it's on the left side. You can see Ubuntu 18.04 desktop. As you can see, the Ubuntu desktop virtual machine that we created became part of the group Linux Training Lab. Let me take it out of that particular group and create a separate group for this particular machine. By the way, the grouping in VirtualBox is used for organizing the virtual machines. Let us go into the virtual machine settings and increase the number of processors to 2 and attach the downloaded Ubuntu 18.04 ISO file to the CD-ROM drive of this virtual machine. So when we boot this virtual machine, it will boot off of the Ubuntu operating system image file. Well, that's it in this video. We created a virtual machine and we configured it with certain amount of memory, number of processors, and we have also attached the downloaded Ubuntu 18 ISO file to the virtual machine. In the next video, we will look at the installation process. See you in the next video.